In this video, we're going to learn how to fix login error in Hulu. First, if you're having any kinds of problem with the application or with the website, make sure that your device is connected to a secure network. Swipe down on the control center and turn on your Wi-Fi or mobile data, however you prefer, and connect to a secure network. After that, you want to go to your browser of choice. I'm using Chrome here, and simply type in Hulu over here. Click on search, press on the first website that you see. Here you will see the official login page. You can simply type in your email over here and tap on continue to log in into your account. However, if you are facing any problems here and on the website, you can simply tap your email over here and click on continue to and on the website you can simply type in your email over here and tap on continue to log in into your account. And on the website, by typing your email over here and tapping on continue, you'll be able to log in into your account. However, if you're having any kinds of problem on the application, you can simply delete the application and reinstall it again. And if that doesn't solve the problem, you can simply restart your device and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below.